In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review a pull request in GitHub the right way. We'll start from the GitHub Dashboard and walk through creating a clean comparison so you can review changes confidently. Begin on the GitHub Dashboard. In the top Repositories section, open the repository you want to review. Inside the repo, look near the top for the branches link and open it. From the list of branches, click the feature branch you plan to review. For example, a branch named Another One. This view confirms the branch exists and shows its latest commits. On this branch page, use the Contribute button. This is GitHub's prompt to compare changes and start a pull request, which is where formal review happens. Now, use the branch switcher near the file list to move between the feature branch and the default branch, typically named Main. This quick toggle helps you verify which branch will be the base and which will be compared. When you're ready, return to the repository's main view and open the Pull Requests tab. Click New Pull Request to open the comparison screen. On the Compare screen, look for two dropdowns, Base and Compare. The base branch should be your main branch, the place you want to merge into. Click the Base dropdown, confirm it's set to Main, and change it if needed. Next, open the Compare dropdown and select the feature branch you want to review, like Another One. If you accidentally reverse them, your diff may look empty or backwards, so double-check the labels. Base is where changes will land. Compare is where changes come from. If GitHub shows a message saying, "There isn't anything to compare," that means the branches are identical or already merged. In that case, verify you picked the correct feature branch or wait for new commits before reviewing. When there are changes, you'll see a list of modified files and a unified diff by default. For a clearer side-by-side experience, switch the diff view to split. This places original code on the left and changes on the right, making it easier to spot additions, removals, and subtle edits. As you scan the diff, look for clarity, consistency, and correctness. Check file by file, review commit intent, and watch for unintended changes like debug logs or formatting noise. Small, focused comments help authors address feedback quickly. When everything looks good, you can proceed with your usual approval process, confident that your base and compare branches were set up correctly